Hey guys, April here. Are you looking for a way to easily organize all of your budgeting paperwork in an easy to understand method that's aesthetically pleasing to you and all for under $10? I'm going to show you how today. See this? I have less than $10 invested in this, and it is my favorite method that I've done so far. So what do we have here? First, it is a simplistic 3-ring 1-inch binder. You can pick this up at Walmart for less than $3 or at a thrift store for even less, I'm sure. I've seen 100 of these all over the place. So take this and customize it. First thing you're gonna do is remove the sheet out of here and make your own. This is just a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that I designed in Canva. If you haven't used Canva, or even if you have, you can do it for free. I promise it's not as intimidating as it looks, but even if this is not for you, you can always go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and just buy a sheet of this paper for less than $1 and then just cut it down to fit in here. And there you go. There's another method that you can use. I made all of these spring themed, but I will switch them out for new seasons and holidays. I like keeping things a little fresh and interesting. All right, so what's inside? It's time to start organizing all those budgeting paper. I am all about simplicity. I made sections in here, but first is my money and budget insert. Another quick and easy craft. Design that sheet of paper again, or use your craft paper as a section break. You can pick up a Scott laminator for less than $25. That is optional. And you know, don't forget that your local library may laminate things for you for free, and they'll definitely print things for you for free. So always utilize that resource if you don't have the resources at home. But if you do invest in the laminator for the $25, you will get a lot of use out of it. But again, it is optional. So I made the sheet, I laminated it, and I hole punched it. I got this a 3-ring hole puncher from Walmart for, again, under $4. You might even have something like it in your office, or even one of these bad boys that you can use as well. You just have to make a little template for yourself to make sure that you're punching the hole in the right spot, but you probably have this sitting in a drawer somewhere that you can use. So behind this, I'm putting my monthly budget sheets. I do offer a free printable similar to this one, which I'll have linked down below for you, or there are some more designed versions in my shop for $1.50, which will give you unlimited downloads. You just have to print them. Or, you know, you could always just use some plain paper and a ruler and make your own. So I like the idea of keeping them all for the year so I can look at my progress and how far that I've come and the bills that I've taken care of and the debt that I've gotten out of. Every month I will start with my monthly goals. So this is actually for May. That's why this isn't filled out yet. And for May, I am using this crystal theme. I don't have this for sale in my shop yet because I like using things first before I offer them to you guys. But I just gave a quick monthly overview and then my income and expenses sheets, just keeping it super easy. Next is my tracker section. And this is where I'm keeping my household and business spending, keeping track of what's in my cash envelopes, my no spend tracker, reminders, etc. And I'm going to actually be working on a sheet here that I want to call debt attack, so I can focus on one debt at a time and keep track of my absolute progress on that. So yeah, so here's all my envelope trackers, and then I like having this housework one, and then my Emergen-B tracking to see how I'm doing on that, and then my no spend garden. And last but not least is my savings challenge area. And again, just a cute piece of paper. I did put a hollow sheet over it, but I hate working with that holographic stuff. It likes to bunch up on me. I'm not very good with it. But yeah, so here's the savings challenge area. This sheet's just to remind me to put it behind when I'm coloring because my markers like to bleed through. But there you have it, less than $10, and you can sort all of your budgeting paperwork into one easy store, understand, and use binder, complete with your own designs and patterns. Keep it simple, guys. Budgeting is already stressful, but if you make it as easy, as enjoyable for yourself as you possibly can, you're probably more likely to stick with it. So if you like this video and you want to see more, then check out some of our other content and be sure to subscribe to The Hive. See you next time, guys. Bye.